What's happening right now, Imara?
Let's see what's going on. Welcome to Trading HD. Remember to subscribe. Welcome. Thank you very much. Remember to read the disclaimer right here and also the description below. Let's get started with Mara stock. Very interesting price action that we have right here. We had the maximum high right there. It was trading around $34. From there, we had this correction. Let's see the exact percentage to current prices. We have minus 36% more or less. $22 right now. What will be the future of Mara for now? Let us know in the comments below your opinion for this year 2022 and let's get started.
Yeah, look at that. We have a lot of resistance levels right here. The first one, we already touched it, and the correction is absolutely nuts. We're talking about a correction of minus 37%, which is normal. This stock is very volatile. You need to have in mind that this is common in stocks like with a small market cap. We're talking about 5.89 billion. So obviously, volatility can go up like more than 100%. It can go down more than 50%. That's a normal behavior in this type of stocks.
Yeah, it's very interesting to comment and talk about it. Let us know in the comments your opinion because I want to know it. What do you think about the correlation with Bitcoin? Because we mentioned in previous videos that you could see that this price was correlated at least sometimes, and obviously this company is related to Bitcoin price because they mine it and all that. But we had this Bitcoin bullish run we had since January 2024 as we started the year. The uptrend has been more or less 72%. Currently is $67,000, I think. Yeah, 67,500, even 600 right now. So very interesting to see how this stock hasn't been correlating at least during this last month, because in the past it happened, but now it isn't. So why do you think is the reason of that? Let us know in the comments below.
Yeah, no correlation right now. Let's take a look at the forecast because also we have some interesting data by analysts.
Yeah, let's see what they have to say right there. Very interesting to have this tool. Always take, with a lot of consideration, but, we have the minimum minus 35% and the maximum plus 59. Which side are you guys? To the upside or to the downside?
Yeah, we have mixed opinions right here by 9 analysts. The average is plus 7%. And right now it's trading sideways. You can clearly see that channel that we showed you before. But look at that. The most interesting thing is the reported and estimates that we have right here. Look at the estimates that we have for the next quarter, first quarter of 2024 and the second and the third. Look at that. It's just that we have estimates that they're gonna be in losses in the coming quarters, and maybe that's one of the reasons that is we are missing this correlation of Bitcoin. Like that. In the end, a stock is a company, and if a company doesn't make profits, you shouldn't have reasons to think that it's going to make new highs.
We have to see how it goes. Let us know in the comments your thoughts about the future of this company. We have some news right here about Marathon Digital Holdings mining 833 bitcoins in February. They decreased the mining output by 23% compared to the previous month. Maybe this is related to the decrease in the price. What do you think about it? And also we have the analyst rating the stock, some changing it to higher prices, others adjusting it. So we have like a lot of hype around this stock, obviously because the Bitcoin price is going crazy to the upside. So we have to wait and see how this month develops for Bitcoin also, and we could see how it affects this stock. But I think it's very interesting to have both charts in mind, because obviously if they are mining Bitcoin and Bitcoin continues going higher, this should go up. But the opposite could also happen because it's happening right now. So as usual, remember to manage risk properly and let us know in the comments your opinion about all the possible strategies that you have with this stock.
Also, let's take a look at the volume profile because also we have a lot of trading activity right here on this area. So let's take a look at it, and we will analyze it, from data from December 2023, and you can clearly see, that we are, a little bit below the point of control. The point of control means that according to this part, to this indicator, is that the price should be around the point of control, the red line that we're watching right now. So we are trading a little bit below, but you can clearly see that there is a lot of trading volume activity right here around $27.24. No, 24. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, very interesting to take into account also that information. And right now, what can we see from the technical analysis perspective? Let's go to the 15-minute chart, see with more detail what is going on inside the chart. And we can clearly see that the volatility is huge. We have bullish candles to the upside here of more or less 4%. And then we have the consecutive correction of more or less 3-4% to the downside. Even in 3 candles, 45 minutes minus 6%. So the volatility is huge. Not if you compare it with other stocks that have similar hypes, but obviously this is not like a normal situation in a high market cap, unless you take into account Nvidia, that is also crazy. We can do a video about it if you let us know in the comments also.
Yeah, that's a completely different thing. We can clearly see, that we can have a resistance level right here. It's not, very precise, but you can see that there are a lot of pressure, bearish pressure right here. So obviously, it's very risky, and to buy in this downtrend. It happened in the past. Look at that. In the previous downturn, obviously, it was very hard. Yeah, you had to wait, to see like when trading volume is around one area and the price starts to go, sideways, like this one. We can clearly see here between January 19th and February, the beginning of February, you can see that trading activity started to slow down, and the price started to go rejected to the upside.
Yeah, I want to say, finish the video, that Bitcoin price is very, very important. So I want to know your opinions. If you invest in Bitcoin, if you would like also us to analyze the Bitcoin chart or some crypto related assets, because it's a very interesting moment in that market, in my opinion, to gain a lot of experience and to see how it affects the stock market also, because at the end of the day, everything is correlated, and this type of stocks that are mining Bitcoin, obviously even more. We also have all the AI innovative projects, companies, startups, a lot of new stocks, and companies that weren't being talked about, and now they are very, very hyped. So if you know names about these companies that you want us to analyze also, let us know in the comments. We will take a look at the markets, and we will bring that stocks for you also. Very interesting information about Mara. Let us know in the comments, how do you see it for 2024? If you want to share anything else with us, remember to subscribe again. Thank you very much. We really appreciate it. Have a nice weekend. Tomorrow, 2 more videos, or maybe 3. Check out our other videos in the channel if you enjoyed this one. Thank you very much.